Sutherland here. I'm at the NHAA Naturopathic Symposium 2023. With us today, I have Professor Lesley Braun. How are you, Lesley?
I'm really good. It's so good to be here and out in the world again.
I've got to say, I'm really loving the face-to-face interactions, and the energy here today is amazing. From the presentations you've seen, can you tell us a couple of highlights?
I think a couple of things that I've picked up on, or rather a reminder, is just the human side of care. You know, we talk a lot about ingredients and how ingredients work. We talk a lot about conditions, but ultimately just sitting with someone, really listening to their story and designing, I guess, a management plan that meets them where they are, not where we are, is so important. So I just got that from a couple of the sessions, which was just fantastic because, as you know, so much of our day we're talking about the latest science and the latest ingredients, but ultimately it's that interface in the clinic that can make or break what happens.
Yes, what we do is very humanistic, and sometimes we can forget that when we get stuck in the research and all the other things. But yes, the human side of things. One of the themes I've been feeling from the people I've been interviewing is this wholeness, that when we come together, we are so much more than the sum of our parts. And I know that that's a very naturopathic philosophy, the holism side of things, but to see it coming out through the language, through people's research, through what people are talking about is just so fantastic to see.
No, I agree, and I think just having so many people here that come from different perspectives, and everyone's trying to do their bit to try and unlock this and try to help, I guess, our patients in the best way we possibly can. So that's been great, but also just the collegiate nature. There's been so much hugging and backslapping and just kisses, hello, and people are just, I think, so warm in this industry and just so friendly, and I think so many people are just trying to do the best they can, and by being together and being inspired by each other and feeling like we're doing something that makes a difference, everyone feels really good.
I've got to say, I've done a lot of interviews already, and every single one of them, I have this aspirational feeling, and I just get so excited about the future of our industry. You're probably pretty well placed to answer this, but what do you think the future looks like in our industry?
I think things are just going to get bigger and bigger. I think that people are really tapping into the fact that diet and lifestyle and also the different treatments and supplements we have really make a difference. But ultimately it's their choice and for them to become more informed. And there comes a point where they know they need to see an expert. And so that's where seeing a naturopath or a herbalist is going to make the difference. So I just see it going from strength to strength.
Well, it sure is an exciting time to be in the natural health industry. I cannot wait to see what the future brings. Thanks for joining us today.